Page number 48, word smart A. Cross the odd one out and write why it is different from the rest. One has been done for you. You have to cross the odd one. ഇത് നമ്മൾ കൂട്ടത്തിൽ ചേരാത്തത് നമ്മൾ ക്രോസ് ചെയ്ത് വിടുക. ഫസ്റ്റ് ലയൺ, എലഫൻറ്റ്, ടൈഗർ, cow. Cow is a domestic animal. The rest are wild animals. Second case, monkey, fish, squirrel, elephant. Monkey, squirrel and elephant. These animals, they live on land, but fish live in water. So you have to cross fish. Third question, peacock, parrot, bird, pigeon. So which is not included in the group. All these are birds, but bear is an animal, so you cross it bear. Fourth one, snake, lizard, cockroach, ant. Here snake have no legs, but lizard, cockroach and ants have legs, so we cross out snake. B. The rabbit was clever. He showed cleverness. What do these words show? First, smart. Smart, മിടുക്കനായ. So we add NESS, smartness, മിടുക്ക്. Second, lazy, മടിയനായ. When we add NESS, laziness, മടി. Third, soft, മൃദുവായ. Then NESS add softness, മൃദുത്വം. Fourth, polite, വിനീതമായ. When we add NESS, politeness, വിനയം. Fifth, gentle, ശാന്തമായ. Gentleness, ശാന്തത. Sixth, rude, പരുഷമായ. Rudeness, പാരുഷ്യം. So, language smart, comparison, ER. Sometimes we add ER to the describing words to show comparison. The lion was smart, but the rabbit was smarter. And for comparing animals, persons or things, we add ER. Second sentence, the roar of Lal was loud, but the roar of the lion in the well was louder. So here, when we compare two lions, which lion was louder? The lion in the well was louder. So we add ER, louder. Then page number 49. Observe the following pictures and make sentences to show the comparison as given. Look at these two pictures, banana and coconut. And banana tree is tall, but which tree is taller? Coconut. നമ്മൾ ഈ രണ്ട് ട്രീസ് കണ്ടു. അതിലേതിനാണ് ഉയരം കൂടിയത്? കോക്കനട്ടാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഉയരം കൂടിയതിന് നമ്മൾ ER ചേർത്ത് എഴുതണം. So, the banana tree is tall, but the coconut tree is taller. Then, first one, you see two animals, caterpillar and snake. Yes, which is here given here is long. Which is longer? ഏതിനാ കൂടുതൽ നീളമുള്ളത്? Snake. So when we write about snake, when we compare snake to caterpillar, we write longer in case of snake. നമ്മളിവിടെ രണ്ടും കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കൂടുതൽ നീളമുള്ളതിൻ്റെ കൂട്ടത്തിൽ ER ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് എഴുതുക. So caterpillar is long, but the snake is longer. Then the third, the word is small. And red box and blue box, which is smaller, കുറച്ചും കൂടെ ചെറുതേതാണ്? റെഡ് ബോക്സ്. വെൻ യു റൈറ്റ് അബൌട്ട് റെഡ് ബോക്സ് we write smaller. So the blue box is small but red box is smaller. Then third, the given word is big. So two animals are here, elephant and lion. Which is bigger? ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ വലിപ്പം ഏതിനാണ്? elephant. When you write about elephant, we add er to big. So we write like this, bigger. So the lion is big but the elephant is bigger.